Trylock, I asked you to work the freezer today, and yet for the last 3 hours you've been spinning the milk cartons. Hell, you've spun them so much the milk has started to curdle and customers are complaining. What I'm trying to say here, Trylock, is that your 70s porn mustache is offensive. Your Old Spice aftershave is really getting on my nerves. And don't think I haven't noticed the way you've been stroking the Ukrainian sausage. Ah, fuck it, Trylock. Just get back to work, you smarmy bastard. And for fuck's sakes, stop spinning the goddamn milk.